lose the front dry shaft to the motor. So this is what's going on there. I have to tighten this thing. Alright guys, so the piston dry shaft, what goes to the gearbox and the motor, fell out. This is what gone loose on us on the trail. The pin, the little Allen screw here, back out, so then we couldn't get any movement from the motor to go to the gearbox. So we lost power to this piece of dry shaft right here. The two pin gone loose, so now we're just gonna pop it back inside and tighten it. We didn't have any tools on the trail. We didn't take the tool with us on the trail, but as we come back to the car, we got the tool, so we're gonna push it in just like that. So straight from the box, I guess it wasn't all the way down. We don't want to push it too far that it gone loose, but I think what we're gonna do next time is put some Loctite so you don't go loose on us. And here we're gonna tighten the other one. There we go. It's really tight now, guys. Barely could turn it. There we go. I'm gonna loose that one a little bit and send the other one down a little bit more. There we go. Turn the other side and try to have it even in there. Okay, I think that's it. Now it's supposed to go between the hole, so I want to make sure I get that good. So I'm going to double check, loose it again, all the way out, turn it on the other side, going to loosen it. I want to make sure you go down in the hole, guys. Taking no chance with it. Okay, let's see. Right there. Alright, I can feel it go in the hole. It's on the other side. It's pretty tight. And right here. There we go. It's going down in the hole much better. Alright. There we go. I make sure I tighten it really good, guys, so you're not going to come out anymore. And now I'm going to tighten this side here to make sure I get it really good. So that was our only little weak spot that we didn't get any juice coming from this anymore when we was on the trail, because the pin runs slack on us, or the Allen screw runs slack. Okay, I'm trying not to tighten this too tight so I don't bust anything. There we go. And while I'm here, I think it makes sense to double check every one. Alright, this one slack a little bit. Let's see if we can get some turn here now. There we go. Tighten this one. There we go. And then I'm going to check that one here. I'm just going to surface up everyone. Not bad. Turn it around again. Check this one out here. There we go. We got one at the back here. Gonna check that one. This one is pretty tight. And right here, this one is pretty tight. Okay, so we're good. Now I think we got one more up here to check. I didn't check that one. I did not check this one here, which is right here. Make sure I get this one good. There we go. Turn this around. It's pretty tight. Okay, so this is pretty tight. So we're good. Let's see if we're gonna get some juice from it right now. We're gonna turn it over. Let's see what come out of it. You have to put the battery back in here. Let's put the battery back there. Right here. See your battery compartment. Plug this in. There we go, we got some juice. Controller. Lift it up. Alright, we're back. We're gonna put it down on the ground just to give it a run. To show you that it is back together. Pop the battery cover back. Slide it in. Just like that. Let's put it on the ground. There we go. Beautiful. Alright, we're back.